If you have a business of providing private shift, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your private shift business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding booking, availability, pricing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your private shift business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details, and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Chef Lex private dinner, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: view sample menu, book a session and give a quote. I'm going to select give a quote. As soon as I have selected the quote, they have provided me quotation for their private chef with the number of guests. With that also they have provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. I'm going to select the menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. This time let's select view sample menu. As soon as I have selected view sample menu, they have provided me with the variety of menu they provide and also the link of their menu which I can browse. Also with that, they have provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chat. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for private chef, I'm going to name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your private ship business. Now, after giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start, keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use Reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and I'm going to browse my image. Like this, as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. Now I'm going to enter my welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message, which says welcome to Chef Lux Private Dining at its finest, crafting personalized culinary experience one plate at a time. We specialized in private dinner, celebration, luxury retreat and wellness menu, all tailored to you. How may we assist you today? And with that, I'm going to provide view action button as an option. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, view sample menu, book a session and give a code. For each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with view a simple menu. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button and enter my message, where I have provided a list in which I inform my customer about the different cuisine that we provide, and with that I have provided a link in which they can browse our sample menu. With that also I have mentioned that customization is available for every customer. Now I'm going to add two action button, talk to support and menu. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone select this menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to provide a separate message for talk to support, like this, where I have mentioned that our team will contact them as soon as possible. Our response time is 30 minutes and we work 7 days a week. Now let's move to our second action button, which is book a session. To book a session for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message, where I have mentioned that a great menu start with a great taste. Please provide your name. I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. After name, I want to know about preferred date and time. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please provide preferred date and time. I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. After knowing about date and time, I want to know about the location. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please provide location, home, venue or virtual. I'm going to select my contact custom field as location and my format as any. After knowing about location, last thing I want to know is menu style they prefer. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please provide menu style. I'm going to select my contact custom field as type and my format as any. Now after getting each and every information about my customer, I'm going to give a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. We confirm your session within 1 hour. Tasting fee is fully redeemable upon event booking. And with that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier. And I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support. Now for our last action button, which is give a code, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Like this, where I have mentioned all the prices with the number of guests. And with that, I have also mentioned that travel fee may applied outside metro area. With that also, I have provided two action button, talk to support and menu. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. With that, you can see I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for private chef business. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.